The fact that there's still power. No lights down there. What's here? Bro.
This is where we got caught one the first time.
You know? Wait, so if the power was working. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
I don't like the lines in this room. Let's steal that.
Film projector. This is mad old. This is
actually cool, man.
yeah. How Squidward be walking. It's a bird.
That's a bat.
Oh, that is a bat. This motherfucker wearing shorts.
I mean, it feels nice on my cajones.
That's awesome. I step on this chain, right?
My balls, dude, they got squished so bad.
Oh shit. Fucking great. You know, fun fact, this is like, I'd assume 150 feet up. It's fucking great. Important to take time and just fucking admire it. Huh?
Shut this off.
Okay.
Probably get some.
Can I get a close range shot of it?
I mean, the stream. Not
Yeah,
necessarily
obviously.
the dick and balls.
Obviously not the dick and balls,
Well, I don't
but like.
know. The wind is blowing. I want that shit coming back and hitting me. That happened last time.
Do you use it as toilet paper?
Huh?
Do you use it as toilet paper?
Use what?
Your dick as toilet paper.
No, man.
Why not?
Freak.
Why
I think
not?
we're in it like a. They make toilet paper here. Because last time I shit in the factory, and then like my friend, after I was done, I already wiped my ass with underwear. He was like, "Here's some fucking toilet paper." I was like, "Oh, thanks."
Man.
I just fucking stuck my shitty underwear in the back of the fucking toilet paper. When did we get hot the fuck up here, man? Not you and I, but like that'd be romantic shit. If you had an air mattress.
I think, yeah. There's a really hard gust of wind and you start flying away.
Still fucking the whole time.